Hey there folks, today we are immersing ourselves in the Kuro Turing Workstation PC, a budget-friendly architectural powerhouse. Join us as we explore why this rig stands out for AutoCAD, Lumion, Revit and more. Let's dive into the specifics of its components. At the core of Kuro Turing is the MSI B50M PRO-VHD Wi-Fi motherboard, ensuring stability for demanding design tasks. Powering our architectural marvel is the AMD RYZEN 5 5600 excelling in multitasking with 6 cores and 12 threads. With the Blender score of 1122, the RYZEN 5 5600 outperforms competitors in rendering times, a vital trait for architectural workflows. Ensuring seamless multitasking, the Kuro Turing boasts T-Force VULCAN Z 3200MHz DDR4 RAM, which has an impressive score of 2055 in Cinebench R15, optimizing bandwidth for design workflows. Storage is swift with the 1TB TEAMGROUP Gen 4 NVMe M.2 SSD, accelerating access to files and enhancing the design process. Compared to studies affirm TEAMGROUP Gen 4 NVMe SSD excels in file transfer speeds, reducing project load times by up to 30%. Housing our workstation is the Cooler Master TD300 mesh case, ensuring optimal airflow for peak performance. Cooling duties are handled by the efficient GAMDIAS Aura GL240 cooler, maintaining ideal temperatures under heavy workloads. Driving graphical excellence is the AMD RADEON RX 6600 GPU, delivering exceptional graphics and rendering for design and 1080p gaming. The AMD RADEON RX 6600 scored an average G3D Mark score of 15128, making it one of the best PC for budget gaming and a 1080p gaming monster. The Kuro Turing Workstation PC is a budget-friendly dream for architects excelling in performance and value. Whether you're designing or gaming, this rig has you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. Thanks for joining us and happy designing or gaming.